Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel La Fisica che ci piace. Today I'm gonna talk about vocabulary. I wanna show you 3 ways to improve your vocabulary. Before to try to figure out how to improve your vocabulary, I wanna share with you my first experience improving my vocabulary that actually has gone wrong. At first, I thought that the best way to do that was writing new words, idioms, phrases, repeating them from time to time to fix them in my mind. Actually, it didn't work though, because my daily life is busy, so it's not possible for me to make time to repeat a bunch of new words. So I decided to change, and shortly thereafter I found a way to fix new words in my mind, increasing my vocabulary faster than normal. I have 3 tips. Using new words in your daily life, finding new words in your favorite song, making connection with emotions or drawings to the new words that you are learning. So let's start. The first tip. What's your goal? How many words do you want to learn each week? My goal is usually to save a couple of words per week. As I'm watching television or I'm reading a new book, new words come up. After the moment I understand the meaning, I start using them in my daily conversation with friends as much as possible, making up phrases that contain them. It's a good exercise for me and my friends as well. The second tip. Do you have a favorite song? Yes, you have. This is an incredible way to improve your vocabulary. Open Google, search the lyrics of your favorite song. Read the text a couple of times and find the words you don't know the meaning. Eventually, you will be able to sing your favorite song using the whole lyrics, as well as finding this experience both exciting and interesting. The third tip. This is the most curious. Let's imagine that we want to memorize a new word. Cooking pan. This word contains a couple of ideas that I can draw or connect with my emotions and my feelings. No. In fact, cooking comes to the verb to cook, which means to prepare food. And pan is very similar to an Italian word, pane. I know it's a weird way to connect drawings, feelings, emotion, but actually it works. So, it's your turn. How about you? Do you have a special technique to memorize new words? Do you know that using these 3 tips you can memorize not only words but also idioms and phrasal verbs? How about your vocabulary level? Let me know, leave your comment below. Before to go, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Put your thumb up and click the bell to get all my notifications. See you next time. Bye!